Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing humanity today, with far-reaching consequences for the environment, economy, and society. As greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise, the planet is experiencing rising temperatures, extreme weather events, melting ice caps, and disruptions to ecosystems. Rising temperatures. The Earth's average temperature is increasing due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide from human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation. This warming trend leads to heat waves, droughts, and shifts in weather patterns, posing risks to agriculture, water resources, and human health. Extreme weather events. Climate change exacerbates the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events, including hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. These disasters cause loss of life, destruction of infrastructure, and economic hardship for affected communities. Sea level rise. Melting ice caps and thermal expansion of seawater contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal cities and low-lying regions with inundation, erosion, and saltwater intrusion. Coastal communities are particularly vulnerable to the impacts of sea level rise, including displacement of populations and loss of habitat. Ecosystem disruptions. Climate change disrupts ecosystems and biodiversity, affecting species distribution, migration patterns, and habitats. Coral reefs, forests, and Arctic ecosystems are under stress from temperature changes, ocean acidification, and habitat degradation, jeopardizing ecosystem services and biodiversity conservation efforts. Socioeconomic impacts. Climate change exacerbates social and economic inequalities, disproportionately affecting vulnerable populations such as the poor, marginalized communities, and developing countries. Impacts include food insecurity, displacement of populations, loss of livelihoods, and conflicts over scarce resources. Solutions to climate change, mitigation strategies, transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, improving energy efficiency, and implementing policies to promote sustainable land use and carbon sequestration can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit global warming. Adaptation measures, investing in infrastructure upgrades, disaster preparedness, early warning systems, and ecosystem restoration projects can build resilience to climate change impacts and minimize vulnerability. International cooperation. Global cooperation and multilateral agreements such as the Paris Agreement are essential for setting targets for greenhouse gas emissions reduction and promoting climate action at the national and international levels. Public awareness and education, raising awareness about the causes and consequences of climate change, empowering individuals and communities to take action, and fostering a culture of environmental stewardship and sustainability are crucial for mobilizing support for climate action. Innovation and technology. Innovation in clean energy technologies, carbon capture and storage, and climate-resilient solutions can drive transformative change and accelerate the transition to a sustainable future. Conclusion. Climate change presents formidable challenges that require urgent action and collaboration at the global, national, and local levels. By implementing mitigation and adaptation measures, fostering international cooperation, raising public awareness, and promoting innovation, we can confront the climate crisis and build a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come. The time to act is now, and the stakes could not be higher.